Well, welcome to Timberwolf Treasures, my friends. Yeah, we're sitting here making some UV Resin Butterfly Earrings tonight. Gonna watch them shine under that deep purple light.
Greetings and welcome to Timberwolf Treasures. My name is Colleen and we're going to have a little fun today. What I'm going to do is take the same principles I've been doing to make necklaces, and I thought, why can't I make a set of dangly earrings? I'm looking forward to this. I'm going to be using the Yeeho UV resin. It says fast curing. I've tested it on a couple projects so far. I've had no problems with it at all. So we're going to get started. Here is the resin molds we're going to be using, and I'm going to be putting a couple cute little butterflies in it. And in the background, I'm going to be putting like the butterflies in front of the glitter. I'm sorry I don't have a link for this. My brother's girlfriend actually found this at a discount store for me, which is very nice, and picked it up. And it says, I use two colors now, this one and a silver. They're both beautiful, beautiful. It says Glitter by Hemway, available in 60 colors. May have to check that out a little later on. So for these molds, you can get, I got them off of Temu. You can tell that one has been used a lot more than the other one, but it still works just fine. And since I have two identical, that way I'll be able to make a pair of earrings at the same time. So like I do with my necklaces, I still want the shiny top to the earrings. So I'm just doing a clear layer to start with. So I'm just making sure it's all in there. And take your long neck lighter and pop the bubbles. Okay, I'm going to put this in and cure it a little bit. It doesn't have to be a full cure because we're going to be putting the butterflies in next in some more, and we'll have to cure that. And then afterwards we're going to get some glitter and have some fun with it. Hope everyone's having a good day today. I worked today. I usually work Monday to Friday. So today I just decided I'd come home and do a little bit of creations just to enjoy the evening. It's a nice sunny day here in Calgary. I hope everything's going well with all of you. Okay. Doesn't have to be a full cure, it's just get a little bit on it. Okay, so we're going to put a little bit more in of the clear, because this is where the butterflies are going to go. So I did take there's usually a hoop. I cut it off with wire cutters just to make it so it's just that. And I did use just a file to make sure that it was all down as far as I wanted it to. Okay, and now I'm just going to put it into the earring mold as best you can. Put it where you're kind of hoping it'll stay. Hoping's a good word. Sometimes resin has a mind of its own, and that's okay. Okay, so, and you put enough so it'll kind of capsulate and keep it where it is. Because this really is, I'm hoping this will turn out well, and it really is not going to take much to make. And that'll give a different idea for the people to check out at the markets. And I'm going to do the same one to this one. Just a little bit there. And let's find this. Oops. If you're still watching, I appreciate each and every one of you for watching. That You are appreciated. I appreciate you watching and your time and your support. If you like what I'm doing here, if you don't mind subscribing and sharing. If you ever have any questions, let me know. Well, I have no problems answering them. Just put a tiny bit more on the top of this one. I want them to be the same size. And because, okay, I'm just going to put it to the side here and get it to stay where I want it to stay. It doesn't take long. It really, really doesn't. And same thing with this one. Whoops. Gotta get it in the middle. And there we go. Okay. So I got them in the middle the best that I could. So I'm going to let these cure a little bit while I make the background. Okay, so this, it's not going to take much. So I'm just going to put some clear in this little container. And get the one with the scoop. This is actually really nice because it's got different size sparkles. Some are tiny, tiny, some are a little bit bigger. So you could see there that there's all different sizes. Never heard of this brand before, but very happy that she found it. Okay. And of course, I always have to get the sparkles somewhere. Like that is who I am. And that's okay. I'm good with that. Okay, so I've got it all mixed in here. Now, I'm going to get the first one. And I'm just going to put a little bit on. Because it's just a background. Just filling it up. I think that looks good. Still going to do a quick little zap. And I'm going to put that in to cure. Okay, I'm going to do the same with the other one and then do a double cure on both sides, and then I'll be right back. One moment. And we're back. Thank you very much. Okay, so I think they're both cured. Looks like here's the first earring. Let's just pop it out here. And let's have a look. Technically this is a black, but it shines out so many colors. It's just amazing. I like that. And let's hope the other one turns out as well. Got a little bit of cleaning up to do, but okay, those are cute. I really like those. So I was thinking I'm gonna have to do a little cleaning up, which you just take a little tool and just scrape around the outside and get rid of all the rough edges. I mean, they're going to be dangly earrings, but I still want them to be proper. There we go. That's adorable. I was thinking maybe putting tiny little bails on these. I got these. Wasn't too sure what I was going to do with them because they're pretty small for necklaces, but why can't you put them on earrings? Maybe because they're too small. Well, that's the answer to that. That's okay. Okay. At first you don't succeed, try it another way. Okay. So I'm going to be just putting little hoops on them and then putting the hooks on them, and then they're going to be earrings. Okay, so you ever have one of those days? I'm having one of those days. It's definitely, it may not come out on Monday, but I am taping this on a Monday, and it is definitely a Monday. But doesn't, okay, I'm going to have to find another one. Okay, let me figure this out, and I will be right back. And I'm back. All I needed was a little bit bigger jump ring. So here we go. Here is the final product. I will take some pictures and put them to the end, but I think these turned out very well. I hope you enjoyed yourself. If you can like, subscribe, and share, thank you very, very much for showing up. I hope everything's well with you. And until next time, bye-bye.
The screen is fading low, and it's time for me to go. So thank you for watching, my friend. Hope to see you back again.